Alright, so inside Breakcold, leads move automatically depending on your activities with them. For example, you can see here that I created the lead Charlie, and automatically the CRM put Charlie in the relevant CRM list for me, which is signups as a new free trial. Then a day later, Charlie booked a call, and automatically Breakcold updated it to the book to call stage, and it added new tags like startup and agency because it figured out that it's a design agency for startup. So how does it work? So if you go to Vision and you go to Configure Vision, you will be able to see all your CRM list here. And basically how the AI is moving leads in the CRM is just by how you named your CRM list and how you name your sales pipeline stages. It's literally that simple. However, if you want to do specific workflows, you can still do it. So for example, if I go to the customers list right here, you can see that I have an environment that looks like some workflow features, but it's actually not a workflow. It's simply your pipeline because we believe at Breakcold that your pipeline is already your sales process. So why do you need to create independent workflows that don't follow your sales process logic? And so from there, you can automate the CRM just by using natural language. So by default, the AI does it everything for you. But if you want to do advanced things, you can say, okay, for example, when lead have a subscription date in the custom field, then it's a customer. So you can give guidance to the AI, or you can also give like the AI strict rules to move leads in the CRM. So for example, here, you can see here that in this account, I have retention M2. So retention M2 means retention months 2. And so it's basically people who can be subscribed to Breakcold months 2 and plus. And so you see here, I just gave guidance to the AI because just understanding that retention months M2 means retention months 2 is a bit too much. And I say put leads that have been subscribed for more than 2 months. And if we go to one of the leads we have here in Breakcold, you can see here that Christina's months of first subscription is this one. So it's definitely been more than 2 months, right? And now if we go back to the Vision Builder, we can test if the leads are moving accordingly to the rules we've just created. So here I can click on Test AI Analysis, and let's see where Christina is going. As you can imagine, she would probably end up in retention months 2 because in her custom fields, she has a subscription date that is more than 2 months. All right, and there we go. And the AI is pretty confident, and it will give you a reasoning about why it put the lead in that place. And so, as you can imagine, it's just the beginning, guys, because you can do already by default crazy workflows just by using natural language. So it's not very complicated, even if you're not tech savvy. But in the future, in the very near future, you can easily say, when the lead arrived in book to call, wait 2 days, then send this email/template. And so many other things that I cannot even talk about, to be honest.